Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 23. This is also a very simple part like earlier tutorials. We will use sketch and extrude commands for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Distance is 214 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK.
Width is 15 millimeters. Now take Offset Entities command. Reverse direction.
Press OK.
Now we will make this portion.
Now take Circle command. Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal. Select these circles and make them equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 35 millimeters, so diameter is 70 millimeters. Radius is 50 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now we will cut this portion.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Select these entities, press Calculate.
Press OK.
Repeat as earlier.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Use depth 20 mm.
Press OK.
Now we will use colors. Select surfaces. Select this color.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Select this color.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select animation wizard, select Y-axis of rotation and click next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click finish. Now select play from start.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.